Folks, here's the New Holland Model 850 round baler. This one makes a 5x5 bale, I believe, or thereabout anyway. Electric tie, so you need one set of remotes for the tailgate, and then just the tie box just hooks right to your battery. 540 PTO. It is going to need one floor rail in it. There's the chains over there that get the bale turning, and one of the rails is needing replaced. I don't have any on hand, so I'm just going to sell it at a discount as is, like it is. It's running good otherwise, and it won't take much to put that rail in, I don't think. So we're going to have this for sale right here. If you guys have any questions about it, just give one of us a call.